energy consumption has spiraled out of control over the past 100 years. During that time, populations have exploded and economies have flourished, bringing new building construction to an all-time high. Close to 40% of global electricity consumption now comes from buildings, a rate that is predicted to grow faster than in any other sector. It's becoming exponentially more important to control this energy use, to find a solution to create a healthy ecosystem inside buildings in order to sustain a healthy ecosystem outside of them.
Currently, buildings account for around 72% of all the energy used on the planet and around 39% of all electricity used. So you can see that buildings are a significant user of our natural resources. The type of buildings that would fall under the buildings category include any building of a substantial size that needs a heating system, a cooling system, electrical system, and security system. How many times have you walked into a meeting room and it's nice and cool, but you do wonder, well, when was someone last in here? It could have been the day before, it could have even been the week before, and that plant's just been running away, using energy continuously. Buildings really are quite unique, every single one. Even when you build identical buildings, they're very different and they behave differently, they use services differently. It's often quite hard to compare building for building, or, is this older building going to be more efficient than this newer building? It has to be done on a building by building basis. You can't change and control what you don't measure. An integrated system will provide many benefits to a client.
Bringing building systems together, lighting, HVAC, IT, security, into one central hub is a key factor in maximizing efficiency. Schneider Electric is uniquely positioned to deliver solutions that unify building systems.
The solution architecture consists of power meters, which are monitoring various levels of the power infrastructure within a building, the main service entrance, feeds, and individual mechanical equipment loads, which are integrated over a Ethernet TCP/IP network to the ION Enterprise software. The power meters are actually shared between the ION Enterprise system and the Andover Continuum Building Management System through the means of gateways or direct TCP/IP connections. This is tightly integrated together with the building management system, along with all of its other functions such as access control, lighting control, video, security, HVAC, all the traditional functions of a building management system, but now we're making energy management easily accessible to the facility. So literally on the same graphic page, the user has access both to data within the building management system, as well as to drill into these detailed graphics and get really more power quality type of information that is really only accessible through the ION Enterprise software. Through a single workstation, the user is able to navigate and gain access to both systems and really use it on a day-to-day basis to maximize the energy efficiency of their facility.
If just half of new commercial buildings were built to use 30% less energy, we could save nearly 4 million tons of CO2 annually. By enabling the architectural integration of IT, power, automation, security, and building comfort, Schneider Electric is distinctly equipped to help reduce and manage the energy used by buildings all over the world. Schneider Electric is the global specialist in energy management, and we have the solutions to prove it. You can save up to 20% of your building energy costs with EcoStruxure, active energy management architecture from plant to plug.